Hi, I'm Brandy. Today we're going to be unboxing my Una Spirit bag for the month of June. This is a subscription I have had before. I loved it very much, but I just felt like I was getting a lot of subscription boxes, so I kind of took a little break. She makes amazing products, so I'm really excited to open this. This is part of my $20 to under $30 side-by-side. So let's check it out. Okay, so we've got like a druzy type bubble thing here. Let me see here. Can't find my knife. This looks like the inside of a geode. It's very sparkly. I don't know if you can get the thing. So that's kind of cool. Lord, I really missed my knife. Alright. Oh no. Oh, that's okay. You can usually wet feathers and kind of brush them out with like a little mascara comb. This one is definitely worse for the wear. It's rough. I love this. This is very beautiful. I've seen these before. Some very like this is okay, there we go. That's looking a little bit better. This is very scraggly though. I've seen these before. I used to get them a lot in the Tamed Wild boxes, and I do love these. I don't know why I don't make these, because I literally have hundreds of feathers because I have so many birds, but I usually just keep my bird feathers and give them to friends. But this is, I love these in general. This one's a little bit struggling. So I kind of like this. This looks like a quartz arrowhead almost, which is really cool. I like that. Definitely a quartz arrowhead. Like that a lot. It's a very cool piece. I do not have anything like that. And then of course we have the medicine bag itself. It's empty. It used to come with a stone inside, but maybe So I like the quality of the bag. It's, you know, hand sewn. Let's read. Let's do some reading. These three aspects of our being are essential to maintain care for us as we move through these strange new times. It is easy to neglect one or the other while trying to maintain health in another area. This medicine bundle is a reminder to nourish and protect all points of well-being. Are you eating alkalizing foods to keep your body resilient? Are you making time to encourage peaceful thoughts in your mind through moments of quiet and meditation? Are you engaging in ritual and spiritual practices that remind you of your true origins? These are the questions we must ask ourselves at this time. Within your bundle, you'll find the medicine of Pegasus. This being came in strongly for our theme this month. Your medicine bag is adorned with his energy. Pegasus embodies strength, swiftness, light, and protection. He is a faithful companion ready to mirror your needs back at you. He will carry you forth when needed, surround you with his enormous white wings, and remind you to stay observant of your environment. With this, I crafted a white feather smudge fan for you. Smudging remains a powerful act of self-love, and utilizing a fan made with intention amplifies a ritual all the more. If you will, see this fan as an extension of your Pegasus, there to surround you with his grace and strength. The feather glides softly through the air as you fan the sage around you. Feel the presence of this being lifting you to a place of total clarity and well-being, clearing all imbalances of body, mind, and spirit. Your jewelry piece this month is a clear quartz arrowhead. The arrowhead signifies staying alert. Wear this as a reminder to stay aware and observant of what your needs are at any given time. To remain centered is quite a feat. Tools in which to carry with us have the ability to remind us more readily. What do you need in any given moment to return to a place of balance within body, mind, or spirit? Be more observant than ever. Lastly, your crystal this month is a zeolite cluster. I was amazed when I came across these. There is something so special about the zeolite. Is known Reiki stone and enhances one's response to healing. I see zeolite as a sort of cleansing station, a sanctuary within crystal form. Come to zeolite as though it is your own personal healing retreat for body, mind, and spirit. A wellness center. With warmth and gratitude always. On a spirit. I definitely like this. Everything is, I mean, this is, I want to say $23 to your door. So, you know, I think that these are definitely nice items. This needs a little bit of work. I'm a little surprised that there's not a crystal in here. But maybe that's just not the way the box is anymore. And I mean, yeah, here it is. So, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.